Hi, my name is Dr. Richard Dietrich, and I'm the Medical Director for Professional Aesthetics and Wellness. We have offices located in South Philadelphia, across from Methodist Hospital, and also in Voorhees, New Jersey. At Professional Aesthetics and Wellness, we believe that how you look and feel is a reflection of your overall wellness. As a result, we treat people for their aesthetic needs, whether they're facial rejuvenation, using fillers or Botox or similar compounds that help to relax the face and give you a rejuvenated feeling. We treat the weight loss problems that you might have, as many people during their midlife really develop weight loss problems, and we treat these medically as necessary. We also have lasers that help to emulsify the fat, and those are things that we can talk to you about. On the wellness side, the other things that we do is we treat a lot of men and women for their bioidentical hormone needs. By that I mean people who are suffering from hormonal imbalances, usually in the menopause or in the andropause, which is really male menopause, need therapy to help to resolve these issues. So we can treat that effectively in our office also. Women can be treated for their vaginal dryness, vaginal pain that they may be having with intercourse in a non-hormonal way. I guess what I'm trying to say, we have many services that are available to you. We invite you to come into the office for a free consultation. And if you would call us at our phone number, 215-465-9600, I will be glad to make an appointment. My staff will be glad to take care of this, or you can visit our website for more information at wellnesscenterpa.com. Thank you.